Why did the Stoics rehearse losing everything? The Stoics had a habit that sounds awful. Every morning, imagine the worst. Your job? Gone. Your health? Gone. The people you love? Gone. Sit there with it for a minute. Then go about your day. Why would anyone do that on purpose? Before we get to that, one thing worth knowing. It usually goes by a Latin name, premeditatio malorum. Sounds properly ancient, right? Except the Stoics didn't really call it that. Modern writers mostly stitched that label together, looking for something that sounded old enough to match the idea. And the idea itself? They borrowed it. It came from an earlier Greek school entirely. So what's actually underneath all that packaging? Seneca didn't just sit around imagining loss. He went and did it. He'd pick a few days, eat the plainest food he could find, wear the roughest clothes he owned, while his actual life was still perfectly comfortable, and then ask himself one question. Is this it? Is this the thing I've been so afraid of? That's the part everyone skips. It was never about scaring yourself. It was about walking right up to the thing, putting your hand on it, and finding out you'd survive it. And then, something strange happens on the way back. You return to your regular life. Same house, same people, the same unremarkable Tuesday. Except now, you're looking at it like something you almost lost. Which is a funny thing for a practice about disaster to do. They weren't training themselves to expect the worst. They were training themselves to quit sleepwalking past everything they already had. So maybe the question isn't what you're afraid of losing. Maybe it's, what have you stopped seeing? Just because it's still there? Ancient practice. Modern question. See you next time.